Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video, so if you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside the subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath there is that thumbs up. If you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of the YouTuber if you're enjoying my content. So I'm thanking in advance for doing that for me. Okay, today is one of those videos that it is a little bit of a story and a beauty find. This is a brand that is called JOAH. It's called JOAH Beauty. It was a brand that intrigued me before I was living in the United States, that when I used to have the time to watch YouTube, Tati was one of the people that I used to watch, and she used to talk about this brand all the time when she used to go into the drugstores and try all these lines and so on and so forth. So it was one that was always on my wants list, and I knew it was exclusively available at CVS. So when I moved here, the CVS's that were around me and stuff weren't carrying it, so I had a hard time finding it. So it kind of like stayed on my wants list, and then I realized I'm being silly. I should go directly to the website, which is what I've been doing a lot during the time that we have been home more. And I also saw that they were part of Rakuten. So I said, wow, this is a double bonus. So what I'm gonna do, and I've shared with you in the past, and I'll share with you quickly here too, I do have a Rakuten link that's down below. And the Rakuten is running a deal right now that if you use my link, you get $30 and I get $30 as long as you spend $30 within the 90 days of signing up. There's no cost to signing up or anything, but it's where I go first before I shop on any website, including ULTA, Sephora, Walgreens, now this brand, Wet n Wild, all of that. So every time you see something on my channel that I've purchased, I usually go through Rakuten. I all the time try Rakuten first. I type in the name of the store, and if they're part of Rakuten, which so many are, then I will get an additional amount. And I think with this company, I think it was 5%. So whatever I would spend, I would get that 5% within a check that you get every quarter. So it's a nice way to get free money for doing what you were going to do anyways. But now the added bonus is that if you use my link, you get an additional $30 put onto that check as long as you spend $90 within any of these stores during that time. But like I said, there's no cost or anything, but I do appreciate if you use my link, because then we both benefit from it. Okay, so this was a brand, so I went on the website and I saw that they also had affiliate links, and I'm learning that if you have a channel, it's smart to set yourself up with an affiliate link so that whatever you're talking about, if you guys choose to buy it, at least there's a little bit of something that I would get from the company as well. So I'm not sure how it all works. I'm new to, like I said, all of this, but I'm learning that that's something you should do if you have a channel. So I will leave that link down below also. But what I was going to do, and I still have it, and I know for sure I'm going to be doing this, because what ended up happening was I signed up for the affiliate link. I put a bunch of stuff in my cart, and then the company reached out to me and said that they would like to send me a couple of their products, I guess based on the information I put in the affiliate link, of some of the new products that they had that they were introducing. And I said, okay, fine. I also asked them if they could send me a couple of the other products that were ones that I wanted to try, but when the package came, it just had the new products in there. So that's why I said I'm going to go through with you what I'm going to be doing after I film this, because I'm wearing majority of the products on my face because I wanted to test everything out before I sat down to tell you guys about it. But as you know, I make my notes in reference to what the company is all about and what I'm going to be doing to purchase from this company in the near future, because some of the items that intrigue me are still ones that I want to try. But the ones that they sent really impressed me, and that's why I think I'm going to now continue to do what I was planning on doing before I signed up for the affiliate link. Hope that all makes sense. Okay, so I told you about the Rakuten. It's 5% for this company. I didn't know that this brand was also owned by KISS, the KISS, which we've all known forever has been in the drugstore. So it's under that umbrella. And this brand also owns the nails that you press on. So I had no idea about any of this. So that's why I love doing the research, because I learn and then I love to be able to share it with you. So they started in 1989 as a small studio in Flushing, New York. Then they decided that they wanted to bring what they call the salon home to us. So that's why it started with the nails and the eyelashes and all that type of stuff. So what they did is in 2018 was when they had the biggest move, which was their new headquarters, and then they ended up being a global expansion. So they moved to these headquarters, and the size of their facility in Port Washington, New York is over 270,000 square feet, which blew my mind. So it includes on the site, they have a research and development center within their own development. And they have strongholds in key countries to establish the Kiss dominance in Europe. And now this JOAH Cosmetics debuted exclusively at the CVS locations, which is what I told you guys about. So they are socially conscious. It's 100% cruelty-free brand. They embrace the Korean beauty philosophy that beauty starts with the skin. They're obsessed with finding the latest trends and the good-for-you, highest quality ingredients to create great formulas that will outperform what they feel are the prestigious brands, which is what I remember her saying about the products. She was comparing them to brands like Hourglass and things like that. So then they also give back with every purchase that you do with JOAH items on johannabeauty.com and select CVS pharmacies. They will donate a portion of their proceeds to Girls Inc. throughout the year. This is a national nonprofit organization that provides all girls with the experience of mentoring relationships and programming up to succeed. They do not send any information when they do these PR packages. This is me finding out about the company on my own. They also have, if you sign up for an email, you immediately get 15% off. And they currently are shipping to all US and Canada. They also have free shipping for $25, which is a number that I think is really fantastic. They also have another program, which I've signed up for in, I think companies like Wet n Wild and those, where you get like points for every dollar. It's like an ULTA thing. They have that as well, but their points never expire. So that's what they call the Kiss VIP Club. And with that, you get 20% off your first purchase. You get $1.99 flat shipping rate. They give you exclusive special promotions and things like that. So definitely look at that program as well. And in reference to the shipping, as I told you, standard shipping for US orders that are under the 25 is $3.99 unless you sign up for that VIP program, which doesn't cost anything, and then it's $1.99 plus $25, like I told you, was free shipping. But for Canada, up to 11 items, they charge a flat fee of $9.50. Anything over 12 items, the flat fee is $15. And they also have a VIP program for the Canadians as well, and that's the shipping would be $7.50. So, like I said, they did some fantastic things. I really think everything that they were offering, which is what intrigued me in the beginning, I thought was amazing. But what I saw on Instagram, which like gave me that extra push to say, you know what, I was interested in this company and I don't know why I didn't reach out. And this was one of the products that I was going to purchase anyways, and it's called Chasing the Sun. It's an eyeshadow bronzing palette, which blew my mind. When I saw the Instagram of this product, I couldn't believe it. Also, the quality of these products and the packaging of these products blew me away. This whole thing that I'm going to show you before I open it up is $19.99. So that's what I mean by their pricing, their quality, the everything about this company. The shipping fee, I mean, is unbelievable. So there is a huge mirror on the top, and it's a really good mirror, and it takes up the whole side here. And this is what I'm talking about. This is how gorgeous this is. This screams summer to me. This is your contour, your bronzer, your highlighter, your eyeshadows, your silky eyeshadows, the ones that have a little bit of satin sheen in them. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to take some swatches of this so I can show this to you. But this is what, be it if they sent it to me or not, this was something that you were going to see on my channel. The other items was also something that I'm going to do a future video on to show you, but I'm wearing it on my face right now because I wanted to test it out. If you've been with me a long time, you know one of my favorite products, and a standard that has been with me for over 10, if not 20 years, is the BB cream from Tarte. But it is a $38 product, but it is something that I have always in my arsenal, and I have it in multiple shades. This is brand new to JOAH. This one is their BB cream, and this one is only $8.99. And the two shades they sent me I thought were this one is Ivory, which is their lightest shade, and Honey, which is their tan shade. It comes in the BB cream, and I went on their website, and it comes in 6 shades. So they have it in an Ivory, which is, I consider, fair, Vanilla, which is light, I'm saying it's light. Then they have Nude, I assume that would be light medium. Natural, I think, would be the medium shade. Honey, which is the one that we have here, is the tan shade, and Mocha, which is their darkest shade. But what I love about BB creams, and like I said, this was something I was going to buy on my own, and like I said, I will do another video comparing it to my Tarte, because I'm always on the hunt for BB creams. So, because it's, to me, a standard. I put a BB cream on, and then I put over a solid foundation over it, and I'm at the door. And a little bit of bronzer. That's why this palette freaked me out. It was like something I wanted to try so much. So that's why I'm excited about this. So we'll do some swatches of these two so you can see the lightest color and almost the deepest color here, because that's what they sent me. So let me do some swatches here on the palette that we're going to show you here. So to me, this is like a cool tone and a warmer tone and a highlighter. So when I have a cooler tone, which is this one here, this is what I would use to contour, and then I would warm up my face with this one here. And if this is too dark for you, if you're lighter than me, what I end up using this for are shadows. So don't, get stuck with the labels that this is a highlighter or this is a bronzer. You can use all of these, usually I have anyways, on my eyes as shadows. So these are the 3 shades here. And they went on beautifully, and the colors were just stunning. Do you see how beautiful they are? So you can see that bottom one there is like a good contour, lighting, warming it up with the bronzer and then the highlighter. And like I said, I'm wearing everything on my face right now. So we got the bronzer, the highlighter. I'm using all the eyeshadow shades. I didn't use anything else except for the products that I'm talking to on my face, so because I wanted to test the products out. So now let me show you the beautiful 2 mattes, which are right here. And everything went on beautifully, and you can see the color impact on this is unbelievable. And the fact that this is available at such phenomenal pricing is why I don't steer away from Drugstore anymore. But if I have the opportunity to try new brands that are new to me, that's what this channel is all about, and I want to make sure that you guys know about them as well. And like I said, this is a brand that has intrigued me, and it is one that I'm going to be purchasing from. Thank you so much for, reaching out and sending me this. But like I said, this you would have seen on my channel either way. So this is really, really stunning. So that's the whole palette there. And then let me just do some quick swatches so you guys can see the consistency of the BB cream. When this came, this did have a safety seal on it, which I thought was really nice as well. And like I said, this is the lightest shade. This is Ivory. And you see the coverage you get with BB cream. When I wear a BB cream, I also don't use a primer. I treat the BB cream as my primer. That's why I love BB creams, because they act like the primer. They help fill in everything that needs to be filled in, at least on my skin tone. And then the next thing I know, I put on a light, foundation powder over it. It's usually when I use my IT Cosmetics, when I use the BB cream from Tarte, I do the IT Cosmetics Celebration over it. And I've shared that with you guys a million times. But this, to be able to get, that's why I was going to get this on my own either way. When I saw that this was new on their website, and I'm going to definitely choose, the colors that I would choose for myself, which would be more the light, medium, but I wanted to wear it. So what I did was I put this honey one all over my face, and then I lightened it up in the middle with the Ivory. I could have also, let me do it now. I could have also mixed the 2 of them together. And let's do that. So that would give me the shade that I wanted, and I should have done that. But I really wanted to see what the colors looked like on their own. And that's what I did. So let me just put these 2 together. So we'll see them here. And then let's just mix it. Yeah, that would be the perfect tone. So that would be what I would consider the light medium. So we have the lightest shade, the shade just before the darkest. And to me, that would be like the one that would be in the middle, which would be a medium, light medium. So that's what I'll do with these 2 now, and then I'll play with it. But really, really impressed me, and I thought it was pretty close to the coverage that I got with the Tarte. So for $8.99, I think this is an absolute steal. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to share with you about this company. I want to thank the company for reaching out and sending this to me for review. I am absolutely impressed with it. Like I said, this was something that I was going to buy on my own anyways, and I'm happy that they reached out. But like I said, you'll be seeing more about this brand on my channel that I will be purchasing, because like I said, the prices that were on their website, they also had bundle deals, which always intrigues me. I think those were also around $19 for like $40 worth of products. And I'm going to probably, the bundles are what I'm going to start with first, because then it gives me a good group of products to try, and then I get to learn a lot more about the brand. So wanted to share that with you guys. Once again, the name of the brand is JOAH, and I will definitely be leaving the link down below. So if any of this intrigues you, please make sure to use the links. Make sure to look at Rakuten. Do your research, but like I said, I am totally impressed with this, and this was a brand that was on my radar that I set it up to do my own purchasing. So when they reached out to me and they wanted to send me a couple of their new products, I thought, wow. And these were ones that I was going to purchase anyway. So really, really blown away and happy with the results. So once again, as always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day, that you choose to spend it with me and be part of this journey. Also, I do have a giveaway going on right now because we did hit that 2K. So make sure to check that link. I'll leave it down below also. So if you haven't entered, please enter, because we're doing a huge giveaway. It weighs like over 5 pounds of stuff. So I want to make sure that everyone has an opportunity to be, that has been part of this journey, to be able to, you know, feel the excitement and the celebration with me as well, which is what I'm doing with the giveaway. So that link will be down below as well. Once again, as always, like I say all the time, it's not just words. I do appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, but we all still have to make sure to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.